Traders are dealing with a trifecta of earnings news coming into the market last night from Apple, Microsoft, and Google. Let's bring in Tim Biggam with Delta Derivatives. Tim, not only do traders have to disseminate what's going on with the tech earnings, but also the Fed meeting today.
Yeah, absolutely, Ange. And I think the combination of the two will dictate, kind of how we finish out the summer here. Certainly, the three big tech names reporting will be an important thing. But I think how the Fed handles, especially the mortgage backs with interest rates and whether they, a hint at a taper at Jackson Hole will probably affect the valuations on those big tech names. So I think that's important as well. That combination should probably give us an idea whether this market is done railing or has another leg higher.
What would be your trade of the day? Are you seeing any unusual options activity drawing you to a trade?
Yeah, we've been seeing big repeated call buying in VIACOM, VIAC, in the August out of the money calls, total of about 50,000 contracts now over the past week. More importantly, that's driven up the price of the option. IV was well below 50, now in the mid 50s here. So I'm just jumping in with that, covered call trade, buying the stock, selling these comparatively very expensive calls to position bullishly with that call buying out there, but capture the fact they had to overpay to get into this trade and continue to.
I have to tell you, Tim, you are the second trader for the second day to talk about that stock.
Yes, usually kind of a sleepy name, but when you see that big repeated call buying out there, it alerts certainly not only the option traders, but the stock traders as well.
Well, good to have you here. Thank you, Tim.
You bet. Anytime, man. Take care.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.